As part of your theory test, you need to do a case study. This is where you'll watch a short 20-second video, then answer 3 questions about what you've seen in the video. You can watch the video as many times as you need to. Let's go over a case study example now. Watch this video, then we'll go over 3 questions. What does this sign mean? Is it A, B, C, D, or pop E for explain, please? Does it mean no parking between 8 and 7 on Monday to Saturday? After parking, don't return to collect your car for 40 minutes. Park for 20 minutes only between 8 and 7 on Monday to Saturday. Park for 40 minutes only between 8 and 7 on Monday to Saturday. Now that's a lot of words, but don't get mixed up. Get rid of rubbish answers. Let me show you how. So you can see Monday to Saturday on this sign. So it only refers to Monday to Saturday. It's not talking about Sunday. Sunday doesn't matter. You can do anything you want regards to parking on a Sunday. It's only telling you about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It's also only talking about 8 o'clock in the morning until 7 o'clock at night. So there's no restrictions before 8 a.m. and there's none after 7 p.m. Are you with me? So there's no restriction on a Sunday. There's no restriction before 8 a.m. or after 7 p.m. It might take you time to read signs like this, but you have time. You don't have to hurry. You don't have to rush. Now it's talking about 20 minutes. So on these days and on these times, you can only park for 20 minutes. You're in quite a busy town and they don't want you taking up that parking space for a long time. So other people can't park, nip to a shop and then go home again. So it's only letting you park for 20 minutes, but only on these days and on these times. At other times, you can park for as long as you want to. Are you understanding this? Brilliant. So no return within 40 minutes. What does that mean? It means when you go back to your car and you drive away, you can't come back to the same parking spaces and park again. Because what some people want to do is they say, oh no, I need longer. I'll drive around the block and come back to the same space. You can't do that. You can't come back for at least 40 minutes. So no return within 40 minutes means you cannot drive away and come back to the same places, the same parking spots for at least 40 minutes. So looking at this sign now, you know the answer, don't you? So is it no parking between 8 and 7? That's not what it's saying. It doesn't say no parking, so that's not A. After parking, don't return to collect your car for 40 minutes. That's not what it's saying. It says after parking, you've got to get your car within 20 minutes, so it's not B. The answer is C. You can park for 20 minutes. Well done. Give yourself time though. Don't rush with these parking signs. So a couple of extra questions just to make sure you have got it. How long can you park on a Sunday? 40 minutes or as long as you want to park? How long can you park for on Sunday? Really think about this. Look at this. Monday to Saturday. It's B, as long as you want to park on a Sunday, because on a Sunday there are no restrictions. Well done. You really want to know this, don't you, to be a driver? Sunday is not mentioned. There's no restrictions on a Sunday. It's not very busy. They don't mind. Another question. You have returned to your car and driven away. you need to park again. So you've returned to your car, you've driven off, but you need to park again. Can you go back to the same places, the same spot parking spaces straight away? No, you can only go back after 40 minutes, or yes, you can go back straight away. And the answer is no, you can only go back after 40 minutes. If you go back straight away, that's not really fair on other people who are driving around and around town who just want to park to go to the shop and get some bread. So no, you can't come back for 40 minutes. Fantastic. Now let's cover some more parking stuff. This is near where I live, and I'll see cars parked like this all over the place. Now you tell me, are you supposed to park like this or not? Yes or no? The answer is no. No, you are not supposed to park like this. This is really, really unfair. Can you imagine somebody trying to push somebody in a wheelchair up this road? Or somebody with a buggy and a small child that have to walk on the road? Well, that's crazy. So absolutely, if there's a sign like this one, this here is showing you a car parked partially on the curb. So one wheel on the pavement, one wheel on the road, exactly like this. If you see this sign, you're allowed to park like that. Or this one means you can park your whole car on the pavement. They call it the verge or footway. You can park fully on the verge or footway if you see this sign. Cars may park partially on the pavement. Vehicles may park fully on the pavement. But unless you see these signs, you're not allowed. Highway Code, Rule 244 says, this is the Highway Code, the Book of Rules. You must not park on the pavement in London. You should not park on the pavement in other places. You should not means don't do it. You shouldn't do it. These signs mean end of parking on the pavement area. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Let's get you test ready.